Hi, honey. Hi, cutest. Gabriel. Hi. Hi. Say hi, Pete. Hi, Woody. Hi, Woody. Hi. Hi, Woody. Gabriel. Gabriel, you're going to show us how you crawl? You're going to show us how you can crawl? You're almost 3.5 months old. Are you going to show us how you can crawl? You're more interested in Woody, huh? Woody, are you going to teach him how to crawl? Are you going to teach him how to crawl, Woody? Cutest baby in the whole world. Look at how cute you are, Gaby. Gabe, hi. Say, I might be the cutest baby in the whole world. Yeah. You didn't talk? Where are you going? Hi. Say hi. What's that? Yeah, hi. Look at that face. Are you done? Okay, bye-bye. Say CP time for me because I'm a CP baby. All right, let's pick you up. Hi. Dun, 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 dun. Hi. Have you had enough? Have you had enough? Hi, cutie. Can you show me how you smile? Can you give me a... Ew. Vomit. That's why you're crying. Goodbye.